what coincidences is, because the fact that each one of you user could give me multiple examples of multiple coincidental stories that occurred in your life, it only postulate, right, from an imperialistic standpoint, right, and transpersonal experience shared between the communications. It's a sort of it's like a transpersonal empirical evidence we all sharing collectively here. So it means that, very simple, you have to use sometimes these radical materialist scientific ideology against them. It reoccurs. It means coincidences reoccur. Coincidences reoccur. If something reoccurs, it simply means it has a pattern. Because if coincidences reoccurring, it has a pattern. The pattern is the reoccurrence. The pattern is, in and of itself, the reoccurrence of the coincidences. So if coincidences reoccur, it has a pattern. And we all know that everything that has a pattern has a law. And if it has a law, the law can be replicated. So we know it's not coincidence. We know with absolute certainty it's not coincidence. We know that there's a deeper underlying phenomenon that governing the mechanisms of these